The big thing that sets Centennial apart from some of the other colleges is the passion the instructors have for the program.
They're all very knowledgeable individuals who have spent years in their trades, and they're very prepared to give you all the knowledge that you want, not just what is required of them.
I've always been a hands-on person, so working in this program has allowed me to really express my talent. It's really inspired me to go further into the automotive industry.
The skills that we teach here transfer to all areas of the auto body field. So we're teaching them base level skills that could apply to many career paths in the future. There's a real shortage in trades, especially in the auto body field. All major employers are looking for high quality employees right now. They want people that are driven, that are excited about the trade, and people they can train and hold long term. I'm very passionate about this program because the instructors made such a difference in my career and really pushed me to be the best that I could be. So I feel that I now have the opportunity to do the same thing, like push the students to their maximum potential. Anything they need to learn, I have no problem staying late, helping them, trying to feed their thirst for knowledge in the trade.
Everyone at the school was very welcoming towards me, and I've always had very good relations with my peers. The faculty has been ready to work with you.
If someone wanted to join this program, I would tell them that it's a lot of hard work, but at the end, you come out well equipped to join the workforce.
I feel great about my career opportunities after graduation. I think Centennial does a great job of preparing its students.